How can holistic artificial intelligence (HAI) help spot early risk factors for Alzheimer's disease? XHAL is a UK leader in holistic artificial intelligence (HAI). My name is Connor, consultant for XHAL.UK. Today, our founding member and CTO, Kuldeepak Kohli, introduced an informative video on our research in this field. XAL UK is a new generation of companies focused on making the world a better place with HAI and humans working hand in hand. Researchers have been looking for molecular causes and early indicators of Alzheimer's disease for a long time. Alzheimer's is a type of dementia that deteriorates memory and is progressive and ultimately fatal. Approximately 2/3 of the 10.7 million individuals affected by Alzheimer's worldwide are female. Women tend to live longer than males. But this does not entirely explain why more women than men suffer from the condition. The disease is more likely to strike older people. XAL UK have found co-occurring conditions in patients diagnosed with Alzheimer's at UCSF's Memory and Aging Center compared to people without the disease. XAL UK researchers used UCSF's clinical database of more than 10 million patients. They discovered that using XHAL holistic artificial intelligence (HAI) techniques, they could identify with over 82% predictive power who would develop the disease up to 7 years prior. In both men and women, a number of variables were predictive, including high blood pressure, high cholesterol, vitamin E and D deficiency, and iron deficiency. For men, enlarged prostates and erectile dysfunction were also predicted. Osteoporosis, however, was a particularly significant predictor for women. This does not imply that all patients with the bone illness, which is prevalent in elderly women, will develop Alzheimer's disease. It is the combination of diseases that allows our model to predict Alzheimer's onset. Our finding that osteoporosis is one predictive factor for females highlights the biological interplay between bone health and dementia risk. To understand the biology underlying the model's predictive power, the researchers turned to public molecular databases and a specialized tool developed at UCSF called Spoke's Scalable Precision Medicine Oriented Knowledge Engine, which was developed in the lab of Sergio Baronzini, Ph.D., a professor of neurology and a member of the UCSF Will Institute for Neurosciences. Spoke is essentially a database of databases that researchers can use to identify patterns and potential molecular targets for therapy. It picked up the well-known association between Alzheimer's and high cholesterol through a variant of the apolipoprotein E gene, APO4. But when combined with genetic databases, it also identified a link between osteoporosis and Alzheimer's in women through a variant in a lesser-known gene, called MS4A6A. A message from our founder members and CTO Kuldeepak Kohli. XAL UK are committed to making the world a better place for all young and old. We are a new generation of ethical employers. Holistic artificial intelligence and humans working hand in hand. Thanks for watching.